Hi everyone.
My name is Fidan,
My name is also Fidan.
also known as
Fidan
Fidan
Squared.
Squared. After our travel from New York to Baku, we had to stay in quarantine for 16 days.
The limited resources made us discover the everyday items like spoon and blanket in a different perspective.
Today, we will share with you 5 life hacks about how to use simple items to survive with limited resources. We hope you will enjoy it. Life hack number 1: use your spoon as your screwdriver. It was the first day in quarantine and our window was broken. At least we thought it was broken. And one of the problems was the dislocated screw. So we need to unscrew it and just to try to fix it. But we didn't have one. No one had any tool. So we used our spoon. We were really tired and our brain was working like over the limit. So I think it was a genius idea. But let's try that. Does it actually work?
2,000 years later.
Maybe it doesn't really work. Maybe it doesn't really work and it's not a life hack, but it worked. I swear it worked. I will put the video right now how we did it. But choose your spoon very, very carefully. Use a blanket as a window insulator.
On our first night in quarantine, we couldn't close our window, so we decided to call repairmen, and it was really late at night, so no one came by. So we had to find a solution ourselves because the weather was really cold outside. So we decided to look around the room, and the only thing that came to our mind was a hand towel. We tried to stuff the open space between the windows with a hand towel, but it didn't work because the hand towel was too small. So 20 minutes later, we decided to use a bigger thing to stuff the open space. So we decided to use our blankets. We used a big blanket and stuffed the open space between the windows and covered the whole area, and it worked perfectly and we slept really good.
Life hack number 3: use kettle as your iron. When I was preparing for my Novus Press video, I wanted to wear my favorite shirt, but it was in my suitcase, so it got all wrinkled. As a person who loves ironing, I even iron my socks. I know, I can't control myself. And my boarding friends know my ironing addiction. So there was no way I was going to wear that wrinkled shirt. So I knew that I need to iron this, but I didn't have an iron. And the logic of iron is just to push away a vapor. So the only source of vapor in my room was the kettle. Now we just need to wait until the water is boiled. Meanwhile, you can play with your brother, read a book, or just chat with your friends. Now very, very carefully open the lid. The vapor is much warmer than the water, so maybe ask someone else to help you. Now just hold it on the top and wait until the magic happens. Let's check it out. It looks much better, and if you wait a bit more, it will look even perfect. Use kettle as a microwave.
When they brought our food to us in quarantine, it was already cold. After eating cold food for a few days, we decided that we no longer want to eat that cold food anymore. So we somehow had to heat that food up, but we didn't have any microwave or stove in the room. So the only electric thing that we had was a kettle, water kettle. We thought that why not just boil the water and heat our food with its steam, with the steam coming, hot air coming from the water, from the kettle. So we boiled the water. Once the water was boiled, we put our aluminum foil covered food on top of the kettle, and it got perfectly heated up, but it took a little bit more time than what usually microwave or stove takes, but it worked really well.
Use paper towel as your flower vase.
My mom sent us flowers, fake flowers, when we were in quarantine to cheer us up. However, we didn't have any flower vase or something to put those flowers into. So the only thing that we could think of was paper towels. So we put our fake flowers into paper towel, and it looked pretty awesome. That's it from us. Thank you so much for your attention. We hope you enjoyed it and you will use some of them in the future. Share your pictures with hashtag lifehacksquarantine so we can show your life hacks, what you came up with your own.
Finally, we want to end our video by saying huge thanks to medical workers, police officers, everyone behind the scenes, the journal, sale associates. They're working for us, and let's stay at home for them.
Be safe, be positive, and be at home.